Welcome back again to Study with Manjula, and again I am back with the same energy to teach you the lesson. So in the before video I have said that parts of science, what is science, and about the parts of science and what is biology. Now we are going to start the lesson, that is the leaf. Before directly going to the leaf, first let us know what is a plant. You will get it out that why again from the plant. We have already learned in our lower classes what are the parts of a plant. Everything we have learned. But why again? See, if your standard is increasing, in the same way your lesson depth will increase again. In small, while you are kids or small children, you will say there is a plant. Plant will have some parts, that is leaves, flowers, branches, roots, etc. But now here of the middle school, that is the higher classes, so you should know the other parts of a plant. See, the plant will not have only the flower, root, and leaves, buds, fruits. These are only these are not the parts of a plant. There are other many parts of the plant. So let us know. Now what are the parts of a plant? There are two main parts. One is root system and other one is shoot system. Okay, one is root system and other one is shoot system. Okay, so with the word root system, with this word root, you will get in your mind that it's about the root. Now what is here shoot system? Shoot means not any shooting a video or shooting anyone encounter, not in that way. Shoot, okay, let it be some suspense till I'll teach. So first let us go to the root system. Root system. You know what is the root, right? Which is the underground, which lies under the plant. Means under the ground, which is the part of a plant lies under the ground, which is not visible to a naked eye. Visible means it's visible, but it's under the ground. So if we dig the plant and we'll take out, you can see the root. Okay, so what are the parts of the root? Parts of the root are, one is main root, second one is lateral root, lateral root, and third one is root hair. Root hair. What? Root has a hair? No. It's the part of a root. See, it's some hilarious thing. In the first video I have said science has two parts, and one is physical science and biological science. Physical science again have two parts. One is physics and another one is chemistry. And biological science has two parts. One is what? One is botany and other one is zoology. So now again here the parts of a plant, again two parts. One is root system, other one is shoot system. This one logic all have two parts here. Okay, forget about it. So now let us go. See, these are the three main parts of the root. I'll show you a diagram here. I'll draw a diagram. In that, where are these located, I'll show you. See, I'll rub it. See, this is the ground. Yes, and this is the stem here, of stem of a plant. You know what is a stem, right? So stem, this is one other stem coming out from it, and these are some branches. coming out, and then some other ones coming out from here, again from here even here. Okay, now again for these small, this is the root, actual root. If my drawing is illegible, please don't scold me, okay? Now see, you are seeing this part, yes? You are seeing this part. The main part is which is extended from the stem towards the ground. Whatever the part is there, broad part, is known as main root. What? Main root. And the next one is, see, I have said the branches had come out. These branches, see, this is one branch, this is one branch, this is one, this has 4 branches, and this one is known as lateral or branch root. You can also say branch even. And next, see, I have drawn small things. These are known as root hair. Now root has a hair. Root has a hair. See, you can think that this main root is the grandfather. Yes, grandfather or grandmother, whatever. The main root is the grandfather or grandmother. From the grandfather or grandmother, lateral root means what? Parents. Mother and father have been come out. See, from the grandparents, parents had come out. From the parents, root hair means we are siblings. Siblings means who? Siblings means our sisters, cousins, etc. Okay. Now we'll see. See, this is the grandparent. From the grandparent, parent has come out, and from the parent, root hair. Root hair means what? Children has come out. That's the from the main root branches. Lateral root will grow, and from these the root hair grow. Okay. Now with this you are clear. Next, there are 2 types of root system. Again, 2 systems here. Okay, one is taproot system. One is taproot system, and other one is fibrous. Fibrous. Fibrous root system. Taproot, fibrous root. Tap means not whatever you will be near your basins or near in your bathrooms. Not any tap from which you will get the water. Okay, it's a taproot system. And fibrous. Fibrous means what? Whatever you are thinking. Fibrous means fiber only. Okay. Now first let us know what is taproot system. Taproot system is nothing. Nothing means not nothing is there here. Thing is there, but easy. Whatever before diagram I have drawn, same, it's the correct. What taproot is known as the correct root. Correct ones. It's the main. Correct means accurate, everything. For what you are going to give it appreciation. Okay. Now again the stem here. Again the main root here, grandparent, and again the parent, lateral root, and again the children had come out. Root as a hair. It's known as taproot system. See, root system, the characteristics are same, but the structure, according to the structure, root system is divided into 2 parts. The main taproot is, see, it's not clear. Once I'll draw again. again this is the ground. Ground is not always plain. This is the stem. From the stem the main root comes and branches. Now it's clear. Branches, and these are the root hair. In this, we will not say the parts of the taproot system are main root, lateral root and root hair. We will not say, will not use those words. We'll use for main root, it's primary root. What? Primary root, and the lateral root and the root hair means branch root along with the root hair are known as secondary roots. Secondary roots. Okay. Now with this you are clear, right? Root system has two parts. One is taproot and one is fibrous root. Now we have done with the taproot, which is the accurate, correct, or whatever it is, with the main root, lateral root along with the root hair it has. So these are said as main root as primary root, lateral root along with the root hair are known as secondary root. Okay. Now fibrous root system. All shortcut methods. Fibrous root system. So fibrous means with that you will get the fiber. Fiber means what? How it is. See, if you know coconut will have that browny hairy like structure on the outside. In a say that is known as fiber. Okay. Now I draw the diagram of fibrous root. Nothing, hair like structure. This is the fibrous root and this is the stem. Direct leaves. Okay, so direct leaves where you can see in grass. So in grass has fibrous root. Many of the plants like roadside plants like grass, some grass, the main example is grass, will have the fibrous root like the hair with all the roots with the same thickness, same of size. Some are of not same size, similar, everything are same size. Okay. Now once again I will go with the taproot and fibrous root. Taproot means in every plant you can see the taproot system. Not only in plant, in trees even. Trees will have the taproot system. Actually trees will have this much thick. See, if you have seen any mango tree, the root will come out of the ground, right? It will come out of the ground and those are much of thick roots. Okay. As it need more water. Why it is of in that way, I will say in the characteristics of the water. What does the root do? Functions of root. Okay. And second one is fibrous root. F-I-B-R-U-S. For taproot system example, you can write any of the example you can write for taproot system. One of the example, rose plant. Rose plant, hibiscus or etc. Fibrous root means example you can see grass. Cows will graze the grass. Okay. With this we are clear with the root system. Now we are going to learn about the functions of the root. What are the functions of the root? There are three main functions of the root. One is holds the soil upright. I mean holds the plant upright. And gives support. And next one is absorb minerals and water. Next one is absorb minerals and reduce soil erosion. Reduce soil erosion. So these are the three main functions of the root. Okay. First one, hold plant upright and give support. So there are many plants, how they are standing in upright position because of the roots. See, if you think, take your hand itself. See, your fingers you imagine as root. If you hold anything, it can stand in a perfect manner. In the same way, holding upright, it holds the soil. It holds the soil upright and gives support to the plant. Okay. Next one is absorb minerals and water. The main purpose of the root being in the underground of the underground part. Why does a plant need underground part? Because for absorbing minerals, the root hairs, the main root and the lateral roots, these are the three main parts of the root, absorb water from the soil, from where we pour water to the plant, right? When we pour that water, it gets absorbed in the soil. From that water, it absorbs the root absorbs that water for what? Photosynthesis, that we'll learn further. And reduce soil erosion. From the first I have said that the root holds the soil. It reduces soil it reduces soil erosion. Soil erosion means nothing but washing off the soil. See, soil has many layers. So when the rain falls, if the trees are not grown, when the rain falls, the soil gets washed away. The first layer of the soil, the under part is rocks, then sedimentary rocks, mud, clay, soil. In that way, the soil layers had been formed. So if the soil gets washed away, then the land is nothing. It's no soil will be present on the ground. Okay, only the rocks will be present. So in that way, that is because we should grow the plants for reducing soil erosion. Okay. Now, functions of the root we have finished. So with this, the root system had been completed. I'll say the first parts of the shoot system. With this, I will close it. Okay. Now let us go shoot system, our suspensory system. Shoot system. I have said it will be suspense till I will not explain it. Okay. Now I am going to explain it. Now the suspense, the secret has been opened. Okay. Shoot system is the aerial part of the plant. Aerial means what? Oh, whatever you see in your cartoon, your Disney channel, the princess, you are thinking that what, mermaid, the Ariel. No. Aerial, the what? Above part. Above. What are the above parts of the, means what? Above the soil, whatever the parts are there, the whole parts are known as shoot system. What are the parts? One is the stem, leaves, branches, flowers, etc. Whatever the aerial parts is known as the shoot system. Now I am going to show the diagram. See, this is the stem, a small plant. This is the leaf. And here is the flower. Okay, and this stem had been extended here. Here are some plants. Okay. And here is the stem extended here. Here is one bud here present. Here is another leaf. Okay, this is the shoot system. If you go the underground, see, this is the root. With this diagram, you are clear that the main root is the extension of the stem under the ground. Root, what is the definition of the root? Root is the underground part of a plant which grows towards the gravitational force, right? What is gravitational force? Gravitational force is the force with which the earth, where we are living, the earth pulls a body, not push. Pull means what? Dragging towards itself. Pulls the body towards itself. Why it pulls? Because the earth itself is a magnet which has been cleared, proved by the experiment of an apple by the scientist Sir Isaac Newton. If you know the story about that apple, well and good. If you don't know about it, you search in the YouTube. When now technology has been developed, you can search what is the story about that apple, and if you know, it's the general knowledge for you. Okay, now forget about that. Now let us go. So this is the stem. From the stem, this had been extended. This one is the root system. And this whole part is known as shoot system. Now let us discuss what are the parts of the shoot system. Now I am going to rub this root. Okay. This is the leaf. Yes. This is the stem. This is the flower. This is the bud. Okay, these parts you are learning from your lower classes onwards. Now what are the new parts now we are going to learn is, see these two plants, small thing-like structures you are seeing, these are known as nodes. What is a node? Node is nothing but a small thing which arises from the stem, a small branch-like structure from which a flower or a leaf is going to arise. We don't know whether the flower or a leaf will arise. Now what is this is nothing but the stage. See, from the bud the flower will arise, and from these nodes either flower or a leaf will arise. We don't know, it's suspense for us. Okay. Now again, the space between the two nodes, successive means side by side. Not see if the node is at the tip and the other node is at the ground level, like one node in Kashmir and other node in Kanyakumari. Okay, not like that. So for example, see, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana is there. Not much far. Let's go to, we'll take example as Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In between Karnataka, no. So Andhra Pradesh at the tip we have Visakhapatnam will take, and Hyderabad in Telangana. Hyderabad in Telangana no need, in Andhra Pradesh only will go. So after Visakhapatnam it's Vijayanagar, after Vijayanagar it is Srikakulam. So now Srikakulam and the Visakhapatnam are the nodes. In between the Vijayanagar is the internode. So the space between two nodes is known as the internode. I don't have place. I am writing down. See this part, this place between these are known as internode. Okay. Now this is known as the internode. And again the other part is the tip, the topmost tip of the stem, the plant, topmost tip is known as the apex. The apex of the stem. And if a bud is grown over there at the tip, then the bud is known as apical bud. See, I have drawn a bud here. It's known as apical bud. Okay. Once again, we'll revise what are the parts of a root shoot system. See, the leaf, which is the greenish part of the plant, and the stem, the main supportive part, and the next one is the flower, the colorful part, and the nodes, two nodes from which a flower or a leaf is going to arise. And the next, the space between the two nodes is known as the internode, and the tip of the stem is known as the apex, and if a bud is grown over there, that bud is known as the apical bud. So okay, till here I am going to stop this video. In the next video I am going to say about the leaf. Till then, please subscribe my channel. Okay, if you are free, it's not much of cost. Okay, so please like my video if my teaching skills are good, and please subscribe it. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Bye bye.